Guys, welcome to Croatia. We're hanging out in Bol, and this place is like, you know when you watch a movie and you see those little islands and these red roof villas and it just looks like it's right out of a storybook? That's this place.
The combination of the white stone buildings, the crazy color of that water, and the mountains in the background is just unbelievable.
Guys, look at the water. Like you can, it's crystal clear. Okay, so where is Bol? So Bol is a small little town slash village on this island called Brac. Brac. I can't pronounce anything here. The population is only 1,600 people, which is pretty crazy because I feel like there's enough buildings here to make, I don't know, the population should be double that or something.
I bet you it goes up a lot in the summertime. Also, you'll notice that all these buildings are made out of this lovely white stone. It's actually from this island and it's a big export for them. Exported to all sorts of places.
So we're just out walking, absolutely no plans. We don't know where we're going and we just stumbled across this beach.
And there's a big church over there too.
The beaches here, they're all pebblestone. Guys, what do you even say about this? There's a beach here, beach there, cliffs, stairs made of stone. What's that? A church? Up the stairs we go. What does this remind you of?
Totally reminds me of Costa Brava.
Guys, I'll link the Costa Brava stuff right now. I'll put it up here so you can see it.
I don't know what these trees are called, but I really love them.
So we made it up on top of this cliff to this church.
I just found out that it's the Dominican monastery and it was founded in 1475.
There's also this beautiful cemetery over here. How pretty. Guys, you know us by now. We're starving already. So we gotta find something to eat around here.
So right now we're just walking down the main promenade.
It stretches for a really long time. You could probably walk from one side, like way back there, to the other in about 25 minutes. When you get to the end, there's this beach. I'll put a photo of it up here in case we don't make it there. It's called like Zlatni. It's right out of a dream. Found a little spot to get a drink and waiting for some pizza. Everyone seems to get pizza around here. And we get to enjoy this view. Guys, the pizza showed up. We had to move locations here because it started to rain. But pizzas here in Croatia, now I wonder if it's because we're close to Italy.
That would be my guess.
They're everywhere, but we'll let you know how they're gonna be. Pizza report, it was really good. It's just, back home, I would call that a greasy pizza, but when you're here, I mean, everyone's eating it.
But tonight, that means salad for dinner.
Well, maybe for you.
Definitely for me.
For me too. Can you see it? Oh, we're super close. Guys, it's raining. Change of plans. I'm gonna get some wine.
Since it's raining, we found out that there's this Croatian winery right here in town, so we're gonna do a tasting. So we're gonna do a tasting of 3 different wines, a white, a red, and I think a rosé.
They told us to start with the white one and then work our way to the rosé and then to the red. Anna is gonna do the honors. This is all local Croatian wine.
So I couldn't even begin to tell you what the grapes are. It's something I'm totally not familiar with. But I would say the taste, a little similar to a Pinot Grigio, but fruitier.
It's very good. The fact that this place can even produce wines like this, let alone a rosé, is kind of incredible. I don't drink as much rosé as Anna does, but I know that this is very dry. It's not as sweet as the others. I'll see if she disagrees or agrees. She's kind of the rosé expert in the relationship.
I don't know if I call myself an expert.
In this relationship, yes.
That's really good.
We know our reds a little bit better than the other two. At least I think we do. It's pretty dark, huh?
It's dark, but it's like a beautiful red.
When I see dark, I think of something really heavy, like a Brunello or a Cab Sauv or like a Malbec. Let's see what it tastes like.
Oh, that's good.
Can you compare it to something we drink?
Maybe close to a Pinot? Like a darker, heavier Pinot?
No.
It's got that dry, kind of like it's not.
Give that to me, because I love Pinots. Guys, it's still raining, so change of plans. What we're gonna do, we have to show you this beach. So right now we're gonna call it. Come back tomorrow, we'll see you then. We'll be back in a minute. And we're back, and it's not raining.
We are going to take you guys along the promenade and to the beach.
This beach down here is incredible. It's a little too cold to go in, but we still have to show you this. Are you snapping some photos for our Instagram?
I am. If you're not following us, you should be. Delightful Travelers.
Put it up like up here somewhere. Guys, if you're new around here, welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. We're happy to have you. Trevor, it's Anna. Travel a lot.
So it's about a 20-minute walk from town to this incredible beach that we're going to, and it's this beautiful boardwalk the whole way.
It stretches from town all the way to this beach that you're gonna see very soon.
So apparently there are sculptures all over the island made of the stone from the island. I've only seen a few of them so far, but here's one.
I think we're gonna see a few more on this walk. Anna's grabbing some more photos. I'm finding some more sculptures. They're kind of everywhere. Look at this way. I want to go on the paddleboard right now. Anna's just here admiring the view. It's not so bad.
Not at all.
There it is, guys. That's the beach. It's called Adriatic, I believe. Pronunciation again, we can't pronounce the thing here, but let's go down and check it out. It's because we don't have a drone, it's gonna be hard to show you how this beach is shaped, but you can see right here on the map. Right now we're up here, and it's this V. I've never seen a beach like that before. So as you can see, there are not many people here at all. That's because it's low season. I have to think that this place is really, really busy in peak season. This is also Rocky Beach, right?
It is rocky.
Just like the other one that we have everywhere around here. There's not much sand, but it's fine enough that it wouldn't hurt your feet. I'm trying to get to the point where I can show you both sides. Can you see that behind me? Sort of. Just one second.
So this angle should give you a better perspective of where we're at. But how do you choose? This way or this way?
I don't think you can go wrong with either choice. And look at the view, the mountain backdrop.
So just to finish things off, we just wanted to let you guys know that we have fallen in love with this town. It's beautiful, it's enchanting, it's small, it has gorgeous beaches, and it's a lovely town.
Put Bol on your list if you're coming to Croatia. Brac in general seems to be a little quieter than I think some of the other islands. It's just really chill, and we kind of feel like we have this place somewhat to ourselves. It's great.
All right guys, that's it.
From BOL Croatia, wishing you delightful travels.
See you soon.
Don't forget to hit the like button, and we love it when you subscribe. You might as well, you watch this far. Anna's testing it out. How is it?
Not bad at all.
What? Swimmable?
Swimmable.
Put Bol on your list if you're coming to Croatia to do the islands. There's other islands as well. There's actually like 100,